All right, so I guess this is part 4 now. I'm gonna have another go at it and see where we end up. Bought myself a little bit more thread length, effective thread length, I guess I should say. Take a look. Hoorah! Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. And now, the next challenge is going to be fighting with that snap ring. Took some heat and some penetrant and some other things to get the other one out. This is side 2. I'm figured out my process on step 1, or on side 1, and now on side 2. I just have to execute it again. Woo!